Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. Today I will be showing you how to audio record your phone calls. Alright, so this is an option that came out recently in the past couple of years. But what you have to do, all you have to do is first go to settings and you want to make sure this is on. So we're going to go ahead and go to apps on the bottom. So from the top we're going to go to apps. We're going to basically want to go to phone, which is under P right there, phone. And then we're going to scroll down and you want to make sure that this setting is on, audio call recording. And then so once you turn on this toggle, then now when you call, so for example, I'm going to call someone. So we're calling. And you cannot turn on the recording yet. You have to wait for them to pick up the phone. And also just to let you guys know, once you do call, it's gonna there's gonna be a message that comes out that says this phone call is being recorded. So when that does happen, hold on.
Hello.
Okay, so then now, once they pick up the phone, all you have to do is go ahead and click this more right here, and then you see this option right here, and then once you click call recording, it gives it like
This
1, 2, 3.
call will be recorded.
So this message will continually pop up, and afterwards, when you push stop, so every 30 seconds is going to say this call is being recorded. It's just to let you know, so the other person is going to know that your phone call is being recorded. And afterwards, when you're done, all you have to do is push the stop, and then it will automatically save into your notes. And now you will have this recording on your phone. So whenever you go back into notes, there will be audio. Hold on. So when you open your notes, so I'm opening the notes right here. When you open your notes, you'll see call recordings, and that becomes a folder, and then you can open that. And then, for example, I just made that call right now, and then this will become a recording. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please like or subscribe, comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.